Hello and welcome to Golden Lucy Crafts. In this video I will show you how to crochet this Easter bunny applique. The written instructions for this bunny are also available on my blog goldenlucycrafts.com. You can find the link in the description of this video. In the video I'm using medium weight yarn number 4 and a crochet hook 5mm. For your project you can use any yarn or thread and matching hook. Start with a magic ring. Round 1. Chain 3 counts as first double crochet. Now we will make 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. Untwist the tail and tighten the magic ring. Join with a slip stitch in top of chain 3 at the beginning of the round. You should have a total of 13 stitches. Round 2. Chain 1, single crochet in same stitch, single crochet in next stitch, two single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next 2 stitches, keep repeating these steps around, 2 single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in each of next 2 stitches. Work last single crochet into slip stitch at the end of previous round. Join with a slip stitch in top of first single crochet. You should have a total of 18 stitches. Round 3. Chain 1, single crochet in same stitch, single crochet in next stitch, two single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in each of next two stitches. Keep repeating these steps around. Two single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in next two stitches. Here is our last repeat. Two single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in slip stitch at the end of previous round. Join with a slip stitch in top of first single crochet. You should have a total of 25 stitches. Now we will make a head. Chain 3, treble crochet in same stitch, three treble crochet in next stitch. Now we will make ears. First ear, chain 5, double treble crochet in top of the last stitch of the head. Insert your hook under these two strands. Chain 5, slip stitch in same stitch. Second ear, chain 5, double treble crochet in same stitch, chain 5, slip stitch in same stitch, fasten off. Now we are going to make a tail using a 6mm crochet hook and 2 strands of yarn. Join those 2 strands of the yarn to the bottom of the bunny. Chain 3, double crochet in same stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in same stitch, fasten off. Finishing. Embroider the eye, shape and block your bunny. You can use small pom-poms for the tails as an option. Here are my bunnies with pom-pom tails. That's it. That's how I crochet my Easter bunny. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.